Assalamu alaikum students. We continue exercise 3.3 with question number 4, in which we are required to calculate the following. We observe that these two different values of log have different bases. That is log 2 base 3 and that is log 81 to the base 2. So it means we have to apply the fourth law of log, which is law of change of bases, and that is we apply this law on both of these sections, and we have log 2 divided by log 3. As we observe that log n will be the log value of numerator and log base a, that will become the log value of denominator. As we are using common logarithm, so therefore we do not write any base over here. I repeat, we use common logarithm, therefore we do not write base in these logarithms. Applying this fourth law on that section as well, we have log 81 to the base log 2. Log 2 is cancelled. As 81 is a composite number, we find its prime factors. Because 81 is equal to 3, 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. So we put 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 against 81. So as bases are seen in a product, their powers are added. We apply law of sum of power on that part. We have log 3 raised to power 4 divided by log 3. We observe that is an exponential form, so we apply the third law of law of exponent on numerator. We have in numerator 4 log 3 divided by log 3. Log 3 is cancelled by log 3. We have 4. Hence, we calculate the value of log 2 to the base 3 multiply log 81 to the base 2 is equal to 4. Now we do the part 2 of question number 4, in which we are required to calculate the following, that is the log in the product form in different bases. So for this sake, we apply the fourth law of log, that is the law of change of bases. So in this, we deal with the different bases, so we apply the fourth law of log. Applying fourth law on each section, we have log 3 divided by log 5 multiply log 25 divided by log 3. As we use common logarithm, therefore we do not write base over here. Log 3 is cancelled by log 3 and 25 is a composite number. We find its prime factors, and these are 5 into 5. As bases are seen and the powers are added, we have log 5 raised to power 2 according to law of sum of power. As this is exponential form, so therefore we apply the third law of log, law of exponent, and according to it the power will become coefficient. So applying third law of log on numerator, we have 2 log 5 in numerator divided by log 5. Log 5 is cancelled by log 5. We have 2. Hence we calculate the value of this. That is the log 3 to the base 5 multiply log 25 to the base 3, log with the different bases equal to 2 in that case. Hence we learn in this question number 4 that how we calculate the values of log with different bases by applying fourth law of log, the law of change of bases. I hope you are familiar with the application of laws of log now.